Hey everyone, I just wanted to go through a feature. We've been using this Applied Educational System, or AES, in class, but I just want to show you a new feature of it. So I'm not sure if this exactly looks like what you guys see, but I have it in student view as a student. So this is for, we're going to do health information technology, so looking at the computers and technology that are involved with healthcare. So when you go to your learn.aeseducation.com, you should see the last module now on here is Health Information Technology. So you're going to click on that, and then we will be going through these different units, but of course we want to start with the first unit, Health Information Technology Overview. And I have the PDF version of this worksheet on, will also be linked on Edsby. So if you want, you can print and fill in this worksheet as you're going through the 3 units that are within this module. So it's 3 pages. You can use it to kind of take your own notes on your own paper, or something we haven't used before that I wanted to show you was when you go to these lessons that you're going to go through, you can see Open Electronic Worksheet. So when you click on this, it's going to open up a new tab, and you can see, like, I already typed in the answer to the first question when I was on here previously playing with it, so it's saved it. So there you go, there's the answer to the first question. Question 1, what is HIT? Or Health Information Technology. So now you can go, what are some of the functions? And you can just click and type in here. And if you want, you can even, create its own little tab and have that minimized. And I don't know how much of this you can see, but if we minimize this screen as well, and we have this screen here, now you can kind of, minimize this one here. Now we can kind of have both screens open at the same time. So when you click on the first unit, if you wanted, it's going to be really small, so this might not be ideal viewing, but you could have the, sorry, what's doing here? Again, let me try this. The first unit, we're going Introduction to Health Information Technology. So this is the, it's not gonna, let me see it, so that's just music. So this is one of the more interactive ones where it's not just PowerPoint, and it's gonna play through, and each time you can barely see it, but it's green highlighting. And if you click on, let's say, where are you gonna go? We're gonna go to the filing cabinet. There is a submit button, and it's gonna tell us, no, client's files are not stored in an unsecured filing cabinet. Try again. So then you'd have to figure out which of these it was in. Okay. And then another thing, you can see it up here in this corner, it says student worksheet. Oh, this is telling you the answer to question number 1. So whether it's on paper version, or you can't click on that, but it's just telling you. So whether it's on paper version, or if you've got this, and now we know I need to shrink this back down, and now I can answer what is technology. Okay, so just like every other time, you guys are going to go through that lesson, and it's been started. You have to complete all 3, and then you will be able to start the quiz. So that one worksheet will take you through all 3 of these. It should take you, it says, about an hour to do all 3 of these, and then you can start your quiz. The quiz will go in as a grade, and then you have your worksheet that you can fill in too, that you can use to help you while you do the quiz. All right. Please let me know if you have any questions using these, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.